Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to repair the locking system. Like sometimes what happens is becomes so loose. I already fixed it, so that's why it's not coming, but it just released by itself even if you tight. So you all you have to do is like pull this one, it just will come out. It's very easy, but be careful not to break these pins. It goes into these holes over here, and then this to pull this out. If it didn't come automatically, I mean by pulling it, all you have to do is like press. There are like 3 pins, just press it while pulling. This should come. So this, what I meant is like these 3 pins over here, and then you have to take this out. To take it out, either use like credit card or something like this from 2 sides. It should come out just like that, or just press the middle 3 pointers, same like how we removed it out. So the issue here is the locking mechanism. So this is the locking mechanism. If you see, this is expanding. So what happened when it become a little bit closed, like when it loses tension, that's when it become loose. So all you have to do is like put something, like if you see this one is very close, it's almost touching, so it has to be a little bit outward. So you put something like this to get it out a little bit, right? And then just hold it like this, so it gets, it's very slippery because of the grease. So you put something like this, this over here, and then take your hair dryer or something. If you have a heat gun, just heat it. So then it will keep that tension, and do it for the rest as well. Put this in. There's a bit of tension. Do it for all the 3. This already got the tension. I think this one need a bit of tension. I see, like it's, you see the gap. And then put it back, so the wheel should be up, the mechanism is down. Put it back, and then you can rotate it a little bit. It will go automatically, right? Now put back the pad. Okay, press it a bit hard. You hear that tick sound, and there will be no gap. In, then you're good. Now you hear that sound, so it won't come again, it won't lose. So that's an easy fix. Thank you for watching.